4.5 billion years ago, a vast cloud of cosmic dust and gas began to collapse. As it spun, it flattened into a disk, a stellar nursery where tiny grains of matter started colliding, sticking together, and growing into the worlds we now call home. But a crucial line was drawn in this nascent system, the frost line. This was an invisible boundary dictated by the heat of the young sun. Inside this line, it was too warm for ice to form. Only rock and metal could endure, leading to the creation of the four small, dense, terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Beyond the frost line, it was cold enough for water, methane, and ammonia to freeze solid. This abundance of icy material allowed for the formation of giants. Jupiter and Saturn, the gas giants, grew to immense sizes, while further out, the ice giants Uranus and Neptune took shape. These are worlds with no solid surface to stand on, but with extensive systems of moons and rings. All 8 planets dance to the same gravitational rhythm described by Kepler's laws. Their paths are not perfect circles, but ellipses. Each planet accelerates as it swings in close to the sun, then slows as it glides far away. This waltz is what holds our cosmic neighborhood together. And the neighborhood is filled with leftovers. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, the rubble of a planet that Jupiter's immense gravity prevented from forming. Far beyond Neptune, comets, which are essentially dirty snowballs, orbit in the dark. When one ventures inward, the sun's energy vaporizes its ice, creating a spectacular tail that always points away from the sun, pushed by the solar wind. Our solar system is not a static display. It is a living, breathing gravitational symphony that has been playing for billions of years.